students, today we have to start your practice set 2.3. From this practice set, we have to solve the question number 4. So this question number 4 is depend on solving the, or we have to find out the simplest form of the set. Okay, how to find out the simplest form. So question number 1, 2, 3, we had already prepared the videos on that. So watch these videos before watching this one. Clear? So question number 4, that is simplify the following search. Simplify means what? We have to find out the simplest form of the search. Okay, what is the simplest form? We cannot calculate or we cannot simplify it furthermore. That means suppose your first example is what? That is root 27. So for solving this, you have to just factorize this 27. First of all, factorize this 27. How to factorize? I want to factorize here. Okay, or here. So how to write? To factorize this one, we have to do the division here. So this number is divisible by what? That is 3. That is 3 9s are 27. Then 9 is also divisible by 3. 3 3 is 9. And this 3 is also divisible by 3 itself. That is 1. So what are the factors of 27? That is root 3 into 3 into 3. That means we have to take a 2 pair because we have to calculate square root. That is 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 3. Then separate the square root sign. That is 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 3. So this square and this square root side get cancelled. Then what we have to get here? That is 3 root 3. What we have to get here? 3 root 3. So therefore we can write it as what? Root 27 is equal to 3 root 3. So this is your answer of first question. Now next one is there, that is second number question. Root 50. Second question is there. Root 50. So how to solve this? First of all, factorize this 50. So factorize this 50. So this number is divisible by 2. That is 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. Carry 1. 2 5s are 10. Next, this number is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Then this 5 is divisible by 5 itself and then 1. Then what are the factors of 50 here? That is root 2 into 5 into 5. Then how to write? Root 2 into 5 raised to 2. Then separate the square root sign. That is root 2 into 5 raised to 2. So this 2 and the square root get cancelled. Then what we have to get? That is 5 root 2. So therefore we can write it as root 50 is equal to 5 root 2. And this is your answer. Clear? This is your second number question. Now third number question is there, that is root 250. Third, root 250. Okay. So first of all, calculate the factors of this one, root 250. Write down root 250 here and factorize this one. So this number is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Now this number is divisible by what? Divisible by 5. So 5 2s are 10. Carry 2 5 5s are 25. Then this number is divisible by 5. 5 5s and this number is divisible by 5 itself. Then 1. Then what are the factors here? These are the factors. That is 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So group these two. That means 2 into 5 10 into 5 raised to 2. Then separate the square root sign, root 10 into 5 raised to 2. So this 2 and the square root sign get cancelled. Then what is the result? 5 root 10. So therefore root 250 is equal to what? 5 root 10. And this is the answer of the third question. Clear? So if you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now we have to solve the furthermore questions. That is question number 4 and 5. Clear? Fourth number question, that is root 112. Root 112. So for solving this, first of all factorize this one. So how to factorize? That is, write down first 112. So factorize this one. Write here 112. So this number is divisible by 2. 2 5 is a 10, carry 1, 2 6 is a 12. So this 56 is also divisible by 2. 2 2 is a 4, 2 8 is a 16. This is also divisible by 2. 2 1 is a 2 4 is a. Then 2 7 is a. And this is number divisible by 7. 7 1 is a 7. Here. So now write down the factors here. That is root 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. Then this one. We have to group this 2 2. Okay. This 2 times 2 and 2 times 2 here. So how to write this? That is 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2 into 7. Okay. Now separate the square root sign. That is square root of 2 raised to 2 into square root of 2 raised to 2 into square root of 7. Okay. So this 2 and this square root sign will cancel, the remaining here 2. Multiply by this 2 and this 2 square root of sign gets cancelled out, then remaining here 2. Then root 7 is there. So 2 into 2, that is 4. So 4 root 7. Okay. So this is the answer. Actually this is the factorization part. Okay. Do not confuse with it. So how to write? Therefore, we can write it as root 112 is equal to 4 root 7. That means we have to simplify root 112. Okay. We have to get this one. Simplest value of this. Okay. So this is the answer of the fourth number question. That is 4 root 7. Now last fifth number question from question number 4. That is one 6 8. Root 168. So how to factorize? Write down the given number as it is 168. Root 168. Write down 168 here, and this number is divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Then 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are. So then this number is divisible by 3. 3 6s are. 3 7s are. 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are. Now this number is divisible by 7 itself. Okay, then what we have to get here? That is, we have to get the factors like this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, now group this. So what we have to get here? 2 raised to 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, 6. Then 6 into 7, 42. Then separate the square root sign. What we have to get here? That is 2, 42. Therefore, root 168 is equal to 2 root 42. So this is your answer of fifth number question. Okay. 242. If you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now, we have to stop here. In next video, we will discuss about the question number 5 from this practice set. Thank you, students. I hope you all understand this one. So please like it, subscribe it, and share to your friends. Thank you.